Not every car on American roads is as safe as it looks. In fact, some of them failed safety tests so badly, it's almost terrifying to think people still drove them. From sedans crumpling like soda cans to trucks tipping over in crash tests, today we're counting down 10 cars that failed safety tests miserably in the USA. Stick around until the end. You might be shocked to see a car you know, or even drive. 1. Chevy Aveo. The Chevy Aveo looked like a budget-friendly choice for young drivers, but in crash tests, it was a nightmare. The cabin collapsed like paper, and crash dummies showed high risk of injury even at low speeds. Basically, this car was more of a gamble than a ride. 2. Jeep Wrangler 2019 Small Overlap Test. Next up, the Jeep Wrangler. Rugged, tough-looking, built for off-road, but in the IIHS Small Overlap Crash Test, the 2019 Wrangler tipped onto its side during impact. That's not just unsafe, that's downright scary. 3. Fiat 500 2014 model. The tiny Fiat 500 is known for style in city driving, but in US crash tests, it ranked among the lowest ever recorded. The driver's survival space collapsed, and it earned a poor rating from IIHS. Cute on the outside, terrifying on the inside. 4. Dodge Challenger. Muscle car lovers won't like this one, the Dodge Challenger. During crash tests, the dummy's leg actually got trapped under the dashboard. Add weak roof strength and subpar head restraints, and you've got a car that's fast, but far from safe. 5. Nissan Leaf 2016. Electric fans, brace yourself. The 2016 Nissan Leaf, one of the early popular EVs, failed miserably in small overlap crash tests. The driver's side showed severe intrusion, meaning real drivers would have been at serious risk of leg and foot injuries. 6. Audi A4 2016 Small Overlap Crash. A luxury brand isn't always a safety brand. The 2016 Audi A4 performed poorly in front small overlap tests, with high chances of head and chest injuries. For a car with a premium price tag, safety clearly wasn't premium. 7. BMW 3 Series 2016. BMW markets itself as the ultimate driving machine, but in 2016 crash tests, the 3 Series was far from ultimate. It showed major weaknesses in driver-side protection, a painful reminder that performance doesn't always equal protection. 8. Ford Escape 2018. The 2018 Ford Escape was one of America's best-selling SUVs, but in crash tests, it under-delivered. The front passenger side collapsed more than expected, earning poor ratings for passenger safety. Families buying this SUV expected safety, but didn't always get it. 9. Toyota Tundra 2019. Big trucks don't always mean big safety. The 2019 Toyota Tundra failed multiple IIHS tests with weak front crash protection and poor headlights. Despite its size, the structure couldn't handle certain impacts, making it more vulnerable than many compact cars. 10. VinFast VF8 recent. Finally, the newcomer, VinFast VF8, marketed as Vietnam's big entry into the US EV market. Its early crash readings were disappointing. Poor front crash protection and stability issues raised huge concerns for American buyers. Sometimes rushing to market comes at a dangerous cost. So there you have it, 10 cars that failed safety tests miserably in the USA. Some of them are budget rides, others are luxury badges, but all of them showed that not every car on the road is built to truly protect you. Here's the real question. Would you still drive one of these cars just for the looks or the price, even knowing how unsafe they are? Let us know in the comments. And if you love shocking car facts, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because we've got more jaw-dropping car stories coming your way every week.